Hey everyone,
Hi.
this is the chef and the wig maker, and we are starting a series.
Yes.
And what's the series about, babe?
How to start an e-commerce business.
Yeah, so we're pretty much gonna just go through the lowdown, and
Yes.
release them in bits.
But in a chill style.
Yeah, yeah, laid back.
Laid back.
We want you to retain as much information as possible.
Want to be practical?
So, yeah, real.
Yes.
Give you like real life situations or solutions versus trying to do textbook.
Yeah, because we just did it.
Yeah,
We're
doing it.
Yeah, we're doing it right now. Exactly.
We want to share that with you. So yeah, first up is we're gonna start from the beginning.
Yes. So you've decided that you want to be an entrepreneur. Good job.
Yes, definitely.
Good job. Exciting news. So now get ready. I'm sure you're aware of the journey ahead. It's a lot of sacrifice, but it's also very, very rewarding.
Very rewarding.
Yes.
Yeah.
So the first thing I would say is how to choose that particular path after you've decided, okay, chef, I'm like, I want to be an entrepreneur. I'm like, well, what do I want to do? What do I want to sell? What kind of service do I want to provide?
So, I mean, I guess the best way is to figure out what you love doing.
Yes. Your passion.
Yeah, what are you really passionate about? What do you go to bed at night thinking about?
What would you do for free?
What would you do for free?
Exactly.
Yeah, and once you have that, then you figure out a way to turn that into a business.
Exactly.
And you go from there, because with being an entrepreneur, you definitely want to be doing something you love, because there are going to be days that you're not going to make any money when you're starting out. And there are going to be days where you're going to make some money, but
it's a risk.
Yeah, and you don't know till you actually do it.
Yes.
But to be prepared is the best thing you can do.
I agree. And from passion comes drive, and when you have drive, you just keep going.
Yeah.
And when you're consistent in something that you're doing, eventually you're gonna hit the jackpot.
Mm-hmm.
And that's what it's all about. But when you're passionate about something, when you truly love it, there's no off button. Like you're breathing this product or career, or
you don't get bored.
You're trying to. There's no failing. You're like, oh, okay, let me just figure out another way. Oh, okay, I'll figure out another way. That's all you want to do. So that one thing is what.
You figure out how you can turn that into a business. Yeah,
exactly.
How you can capitalize on it. That's key. And once you figure that out,
that's half the work, right?
That's definitely a great start.
Yeah.
Yeah. So next, after you figure out what you're gonna turn into a business,
now you have to think about your lifestyle. This is something that I wish I thought about, a long time ago. When you're getting into a business, you have to think, how much time is this gonna take?
And you never know.
In terms of,
it's gonna take as much time as you give it.
Yes.
So it's not one of those things where you could be like, oh, it takes 40 hours. Your business can take 30 hours, 80 hours a week. You just don't know. So it's just a matter of you figuring out if you can go for that amount of time, right?
It's true.
Yeah.
It's true.
Because you just have to know that
it's okay. I mean, the truth is, like you said, you really don't know.
Yeah.
There's no off button.
Mm-hmm.
It's what you're doing. That's why it goes back to something that you love.
You're working 25 hours a day.
Yes. You are milking an hour out of a minute.
It's yeah. So just be prepared for that. But that's where you get your reward. The more effort, the more time you put in, the more you get out of it. And the quicker you get where you need to be.
That is true. That is true. It starts from doing what you love.
Yeah.
So that's a big part of it. So that pretty much helps you sort out the beginning of it. Now you know what it is that you love doing, something you would do for free, something that you're very passionate about. When you're doing it, time just goes by. You don't even think about time. You're just like, you're into it. This is your thing. And now you figured out a way to make money off of it. So now we want to set you up. So the first thing, chef, that you talk about is the name.
The name. Yeah, that's next. And join us again to see the next part of what we do with the other topics as we go down the list of starting a business, right?
Yeah, we want to be thorough, guys. So the next episode, we're going to go into the name. This is very, very important in your business.
The name and a few other things.
Yes.
Right? It's going to be every release of video content we put out is going to have a few areas in terms of getting your business up and running, right? From start to finish.
Yes. I hope you enjoyed this series, guys. We're going to have fun. So, I guess DM us, email us, let us know what you think, and let us know if there's anything you would like us to discuss. And we'll try our very best to put it into consideration. And we thank you so much for watching.
Thank you. See you guys next time.
Yes.